Okay, now if I paddle on your left and you stay on your right, we should go straight. Sylvia, stop. Let me paddle for a while and see what I do by myself.
Hey, Sylvia.
Yes.
Say hi to the camera.
No.
Do you need sunscreen, Sylvia?
I got a good shot of Sylvia's back though. We're in a canoe. It's all good.
Hi guys.
Took us a while.
Not very synchronized.
We're still not very good at this.
Okay.
Sharon.
Pedal on the. Pedal.
Too many years of Girl Scout camp for me.
Oh.
I've never been in a canoe. This is my first time.
Oh, you never have?
Nope.
Has Sylvia?
What?
I have no. I think,
Has Sylvia?
Yes.
but she didn't paddle.
You should be in the back, Sylvia.
She
I
didn't
did.
paddle.
Yeah, but I'm real good at giving instructions.
See how Sylvia turns her paddle? Don't pull too deep or you tip the canoe.
Tell that to this lady here, please.
Don't
It's not getting.
If you pull too far one way, back pedal like
I know that to do that, the thing is that I'm trying to keep up with her.
this.
And it's
let
like-
it go. Just you're steering in the back.
I know, so I'm not. Oh, there's a beach. Yay.
Are you heading for the beach?
I think so. I just don't think we should be in the boat if we're going to drink beer.
Okay.
Because I think we could get in trouble.
So
Since
I
they
try
won't
to
let
get
us
that
sit
guy
on,
that's sitting on the beach?
they won't let us sit on our
A cooler.
cooler.
Head for the beach, Vicky. Not yet, Sharon. Not yet.
Oh. If you paddle on one side and I paddle on the other side, we should go straight. And I'm not sure, I think it's because I'm digging deeper in the water than you are.
Not even.
Yeah, we're not going as deep together.
You're not supposed to go deep. You're supposed to skim before.
No, you're not. You're supposed to go deep.
No, no.